Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will learn how to adjust Frigidaire refrigerator shelf. Adjust your shelf, make it easy to fit tall item and organize your refrigerator the way you want. Let's see how to remove a shelf. Step 1. Clear the shelf. Remove the all items and food from the shelf. Tilt up to down. Gently tilt the front of the shelf, then upward. Step 3. Lift and pull out. Lift the shelf up and pull it out completely. Then how to reposition a shelf. Step 1. Choose a new height. Select the desired position for the shelf support. Then insert the rear first. Angle the shelf and insert the back hooks or tab into the support slots. Then in step 3. Lower the front. Lower the front of the shelf so it resets securely on the front support. Let's see how to reinstall shelf. In step 1, ensure level. Make sure the shelf is level and properly seated on the support. Check stability. Press gently on the shelf to ensure it is secure and does not whoop. Moving to the next point, test sliding. For split or sliding shelf, make sure the front selection slide smoothly. Then rearrange item, patch item. Place the item back on the shelf. Here are the common self-support positions and important tips for this video. Use both hands when removing the or installing shelf. Do not force shelf, and glass shelves are heavy. Handle with care. Shelf design may vary by models and refer to the user manual for model specific detail. If you want more help and support, you can also go to their official website for more help and need. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.